Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the charts, my beautiful friends. Hit that subscribe button for daily in-depth technical analysis. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts, and see when I am buying and selling, so you can get the best prices and you don't have to watch the charts all day long. My brightness is going weird. Okay, we're good. I'll leave that link in the description if you're interested. 955. That is what we are basing at. Now, we have shown some support around this previous support level, around these 9s, okay? It's a great sign. However, moving into the next day, we want to see us... Now, we are probably going to continue down, which is a very good thing, and I really hope we do hit these 769 levels so we can get a better price and add some more bags. Now, personally, I added around these 6.2 levels, 6.2 to 6.5 levels, so in good profits right now. However, I want to add the rest of my position because I averaged in. I used the 1/4 rule, and I want to average the rest of my position in on a nice little retracement, and hopefully we will be lucky enough to see this retracement within the coming week. So to the upside, what we want to watch for today is, let's get to these lower time frames. This is off the cuff, my friends, technical analysis. We want to see us hold these previous resistance levels around these 9 levels. We are continuing to make higher lows. So within the next 2 hours, we want to see this green candle push up and close above these 9.8 levels. If we do that, that is a very bullish sign that these higher lows are indeed confirmed, and we will be heading to the upside today. So if we close above these 9.8 levels, then we want to watch these 10 15s for our next level of resistance before we can break to the upside and move up towards those 11s, okay? So that is today. We want to see within the next 2 hours us close above the 9.8 levels in order to confirm that we have these higher lows in check, and we will be moving further to those towards these 11 levels up here. All right, we do have some levels of resistance along the way, considering these 1067 levels, considering this volume here, big green candle. But that is the first sign that we will be continuing to the upside if we close above these 9.8 levels. Now to the downside, what we want to see is a nice sell-off right around this 50% level, and this is personally what I hope we will see. Now we are seeing a sell-off start, okay, around this 50% level of this previous candle. We are seeing some sellers step in to move the price lower. We want to see this 2-hour candle close below this 7.6 level, and this next 2-hour candle break this trend line around these 9.3 levels to the downside and start basing around these 9 levels. Now we'll probably see some buying pressure there, but I will keep you guys updated in the coming days. We will see one of these two options happen today. Now hopefully, I really hope we do break down to these 9 levels, because that would be a great buying opportunity. Not now, not once they hit the 9s, but there's a higher chance that we will come back down to these 7.6 levels and get a better price on this beautiful coin. So long-term investors, HODL your bags. If you're short-term, if you're trying to day trade, then right now there's really no confirmation. Even if it does break this 9.8 level, it's not the best trade to take. We are not in a consolidation. We are creating higher lows. We are in an uptrend. So right now, the day traders, it is not the best option to trade this coin. But the best thing you can do is wait until we come down these 9 levels. Once we break these 9 levels, short, and then see how it reacts. If you start seeing buying pressure on these 769 levels, that means close out your whole position, and you guys will make a nice little profit there on a short. However, if you are waiting for the upside, then it's better to just accumulate and hold, because day trading to the upside right now is not the best move, because we really don't know what's going to happen in the overall market, nor do we know what's going to happen with Dogelon Mars. Now, it is a stable coin. However, it is basing around the overall market and Bitcoin right now. So whatever Bitcoin does, it will be reflected in all of the other altcoins along with Dogelon Mars, the one and only. So my beautiful friends, we are seeing some nice action here. We just got to stay patient right now. This technical analysis is off the cuff, my friends. If you want to learn how to trade like I do, make a living off crypto. I have a course, go check it out. It'll teach you everything you need to know about technical analysis, how to read emotions in the market. That's the biggest thing. It not only works for the crypto markets, it works for every single market out there that is traded online. Stock market, crypto market, forex market, all about emotional cycles. So it teaches you that the algorithms are mostly in control. There's 90% of the trades on the market are algorithmically traded by big institutions and banks. And in the course, I teach you what to look for, how to identify when the institutions are buying in, so you can ride their coattail and then get out before they sell. And that is really how you make money in day trading, technical analysis with any market out there. So, interested in that, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Crypto Billionaire 69 on a road trip, currently crossing a bridge over in Clearwater, Florida, if you guys know where that is. Shout out to you. It's a beautiful day out. We just got done filming for the second YouTube channel, a little update on what's going on in my life. And yes, we're still alive. We have not died after we did that 360 in the 2-lane. That was just scarred me, my friends. It scarred me. I'm not going to drive like that for a while again. So I'm happy to be here for you. I'm happy to still be giving you these updates because crypto is one of my passions, and I would not change it for the world. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.